Hello there everybody, I'm Abir and welcome to my channel Android Master. Today I'm going to tell you 5 types of application that is really dangerous for Android. You should never use them. Let's begin.
Let's just be honest. Let's just be real. Yeah, let's just be honest.
Number 1. Quick Pick. Quick Pick used to be a friendly and easy to use photo gallery application. It was never flashy but clear communications. It's a bad application because it was bought by Cheetah Mobile last year. The company immediately started uploading users' data to their own servers, as evidenced by one Google Plus user who found a raft of new DNS requests that were attributable to the app. As an alternative application, you can use Pictures. It claims to be the first gesture. Number 2. ES File Explorer. Amazingly, it's probably the world's most popular file explorer app out there. That's because it used to be really good 5 years ago. It's a bad application because the free version has been pumped full of bloatware and adware, and it's endlessly nags you to download additional apps via non-disableable notification bar pops up. Number 3. UC Browser, the most popular Android web browser in China and India. It claims to have a fast mode that will save your megabytes of data uses thanks to compression. It is bad because tracking user search queries are sent without encryption to Yahoo India and Google. A user's IMSI number and IMEI number, Android ID, and Wi-Fi MAC addresses are sent without encryption to Yumeng, and users Google geolocation data transmitted without encryption to AMAP. Recently, this app was banned from Play Store. After 1 week, it came back again. So I suggest you that to uninstall this app and use other browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Puffin, Opera, and there are many more browsers out there you can use. Number 4. DU Battery Saver and Fast Charge. Another battery saving application with an insane number of downloads. It has 7.6 million 5-star reviews. Well, sorry, but all of those 7.6 million people are wrong. An application does not have the ability to change how fast your device charges. This is also the king of adverts. It sponsors almost every ad that you see in any other app and manifests its own ads on your lock screen and notification bar. Also, all those fancy speed grabs and cool communications, totally fake. If you are genuinely interested in your phone's battery state, you can use GSM battery monitor. For proper saving, try the aforementioned Greenify. Number 5. Almost every antivirus app. There are loads to choose from. Most of the well-known desktop antiviruses now have a smartphone offering. They aren't bad, but they are largely unnecessary. That's why the biggest name in the industry now market their app. Antivirus capabilities as a part of a larger security package. However, if you install a software from third-party sources or if you have a rooted device, both these situations can open up you to malware that Google has no control over. And also, these apps slow down your device. If you want further information about antivirus, you can watch my previous videos. So these are the application which is bad for your Android device. If you want more videos over this topic, comment below, give this video a thumbs up and share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to my channel, subscribe me and click the notification bell icon. Goodbye.